Repotting. This is, I think, probably the second most important thing that I get in my DMs every day. Now, how to know this plant needs repotting? So here's a small clip. When you're shopping from nursery, we should look for these pots. The roots coming out from bottom is an indication that this plant needs repotting. One of the very important things to know is how to take it out of the pot. We don't want to disturb the root ball. We don't want to destroy any root. So always give a support to your plant and then flip it over. Don't pull the plant out. Always flip the plant. So the right way to start repotting is first to put the plant where you want it to be. Check the height. It needs to be a bit higher. I put some soil on the bottom. Now it is at the right space. Now I want to prevent it from falling. So if it is falling in this direction, I put some soil on here and I put some soil here. And it will always stand on its own. Step 1, get the right height of the plant. Step 2 is make the plant stand in the center, just balance it with some soil. Now comes step 3. Now fill the soil evenly around. It's only done till halfway and I'm going to put more soil on it now. Just remember, when you repot, when you put a new plant, always water it so that this water drains out from the bottom. Doesn't matter what plant it is, and just make sure that you keep it moist for at least first 2 weeks. Unless the water reaches every part of the soil, the roots will not have a reason to grow. And it is possible that when you have repotted, there are certain sections of the pot which is not getting water, and any roots that are in that section, they are likely to die if we do not water it thoroughly and if we do not water it well. Has it ever happened to you? You have watered your plant and then the soil has just sunk in. This especially happens after repotting the plants. This happens because there was some air pocket inside. Now, very important thing is, do not try to adjust a wet soil. It is almost like a clay right now. If you start to adjust your soil right now, you will create a very slippery surface on the top, almost like a clay pottery, and this is not going to be good for your plant.